In this video, we will show you how to replace the light bulb in all models and different types. We'll start with the round frame light bulb. Open the oven door and remove all racks. Turn the round light cover counterclockwise to unscrew and expose the light bulb that needs to be changed. Firmly detach the light bulb from the socket. With your new light bulb, firmly fasten into its socket and screw back the light bulb cover. For the square frame light, insert a small flathead screwdriver under the light cover and pry open. Firmly detach the light bulb from the socket. With your new light bulb, firmly fasten into its socket. Snap back the light cover. Installation is complete.